I want to wish all the best to my YouTube friends, my BitChute friends. I may post this on both my channels, BitChute and YouTube. And I thought I would run a little interesting confession by Robert Service, the great poet who was up in the Yukon and wrote Sam McGee, the cremation of Sam McGee, and Dan McGrew. And he's like a guy that we listen to because as a poet, he's probably really a keen observer. So listen to what he says to us about what he can see from Monaco. Let's have a look. Let's have a listen.
When it's fine, we can see as far as Corsica often.
Can you indeed?
It's a beautiful sight in the morning. See the golden shores of the island. But today, there we are, nothing doing.
Oh dear, today is a great day. I can't. It's Pierre Burton, one of Canada's premier critics and literary people, and he was interviewing Robert Service. And Robert, a mature man with decent eyesight, I'm sure, could see Corsica. Well, let's have a look. Let's see how far the distance, how far is Corsica? Okay, according to this, Corsica, right here, Monaco, to the middle of Corsica, Ajaccio. I have some friends who are in Ajaccio, is about 228 kilometers. So if we put that into the Earth calculator, 228 kilometers, let's say he's about 100 meters where he's standing above sea level, eye level, his eye level above the water is about 100 meters. So the distance to the horizon is about 35 kilometers or so, which would obscure anything that is less than 2,900 and 2,900 feet. 2.9 kilometers. So, and the highest mountain is Monte Cinto in Corsica, which is 2,700 meters. So he wouldn't even be able to see the highest peak in Corsica, would still be 200 meters below the curvature, considering where he's looking from. So, I thought, well, I'll leave a little comment. So I said, he must be out of his mind to suggest he can see Corsica. Never mind the highest mountain, the seashore he says he can see on a clear day, since it's about 288 kilometers distance from Monaco. Assuming he's about 100 meters above sea level, the distance to the horizon would be about 36 kilometers. So everything less than 2,916 meters, 2,916 meters, would be obscured by the horizon. And since Mount Cinto is only 2,700 meters high, if the Earth is a ball with a radius of 3959 meters, he's clearly seeing Sam McGee burning and not Corsica. So I thought I'd post this as a kind of humor. I'd like to know the surface that we're living on, because if Robert Service can see Corsica from where he is, we definitely are not on a tiny little ball, only 3,900 some kilometers in as a radius. So please, I would like anyone that it might dispute the fact that, I'm going to trust Robert Service here that he actually can see Corsica. He must have researched this. So I find this rather disturbing if I'm consensually agreeing with NASA and all the people that create this this round thing we're floating on through the vacuum of space. I it's clearly not what they tell us. Unless, of course, Robert Service should bury his head in shame and just stick to writing poems that people like and not make pronouncements about being able to see anything in the distance. I just thought I'd comment. I kind of, came across this and yes, of course, yeah, I'm having a bit of fun.